Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can show game library on Epic Games on your PC. So if your game library is hidden, here's what you have to do in order to show the library. So if you have the launcher open and you are logged into your account, at the top right corner hit this icon with your profile picture right here and then go to settings. So right here, as you can see at the preferences options, there are a few options right here that we can toggle on and off. So you'll have to make sure that this hide game library option is toggled off, or is unchecked, because when you check this option right here, your library will be disabled, as you can see right here. And while game library is disabled, you will not be able to interact with your installed games. So if you have this checked right here, just go forward and uncheck this this very specific option, and then you'll be able to access your game library. So this is all for today guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.